Rest is the basis of all activity. When we're not getting good quality sleep and when we're not getting good quality rest, we can't function optimally. If you're having trouble sleeping, it can feel like torture going to bed. I see so many people that tell me they've tried everything, or they end up relying on sleep medications that make them feel more tired and more fatigued, and they just don't know how to get out of the cycle of insomnia. I also see a lot of people who tell me they're getting enough hours of sleep, but their sleep quality just isn't good and they still feel exhausted during the day. I'm Dr. Nishi Bhopal. I'm a psychiatrist, sleep specialist, and I also specialize in integrative holistic medicine. Here at IntraBalance Integrative Psychiatry, we specialize in getting to the root cause of sleep issues, helping you figure out what's causing them, and giving you a personalized plan that is natural and holistic, but also rooted in science and data to help you sleep better, reduce issues with insomnia, and improve your energy so that you can function at your best. If you're interested in learning more about our approach, submit your information below to schedule a free 15-minute discovery call.